Dear friends, welcome to my channel Understanding RS-GIS and Geography. In this video, I am going to show how to load the SRTM DEM data of your region of interest. You know, SRTM DEM is Shuttle Radar Topography Mission Digital Elevation Model, which is very important for geospatial analysis. This DEM is 30 meter spatial resolution. You can copy and paste here and you can find the characteristics of this DEM. This is the one of the finest DEM of the earth, which is 30 meter spatial resolution. So first of all, I am showing you using several steps. Using 5 steps, I will show how to load the digital elevation model data or DEM data of your region of interest. So first of all, in the first step, load the SRTM DEM dataset. Here I am naming it as variable SRTM image. This is the path of this SRTM DEM. 3 means 30 meter resolution, and the step 2 is I am calling the area of interest. My area of interest is Chamoli district of Uttarakhand in India. So call the FAO Gaul 2015 level 2 data for the district level subfile. So variable districts feature collection this, and then I filtered the Chamoli district of the Uttarakhand state, and then I'm centering the object as map center object Chamoli 9, map add layer Chamoli color red, and naming it as Chamoli district. This is the step 2, means region of interest. Step 1 SRTM DEM calling, and step 2 region of interest, and the step 3 is clip the SRTM DEM to the Chamoli district boundary. Means this first 2 step is merged here. You need to merge here to find the DEM of your region of interest. So naming in the variable as SRTM Chamoli, SRTM.clip Chamoli, means this is the Chamoli study area, means region of interest. SRTM.clip Chamoli means Chamoli district SRTM DEM will be created. Then the time for visualization, means using this 4th step I'm showing you define the visualization parameters. I know the areas minimum and maximum you can find by calculating the range. If you want to find the calculating the range, please see my previous videos how to calculate range, and you can find this minimum and maximum. So I want to request you, please see those videos from my channel, and I will paste the link in the description box. So please click on that and find the minimum and maximum, and I given the some palette for the visualization. This is the visualization parameter, and then after that a map add layer of the SRTM DEM of the region of interest. This is the map add layer SRTM Chamoli. This is the variable SRTM Chamoli. Then pitch params. This is the pitch params which is selected by calculating the mean and max, and then naming as SRTM DEM over Chamoli. Then just click on the run button. If you are not the subscriber of my channel, please subscribe my channel Understanding RS-GIS and Geography, and click on bell icon to get notification of every new videos from my channel. My channel is unique videos. This is the DEM of the Chamoli district of Uttarakhand in India. You can see how the river and the terrain features are showing. Okay, and you can see also this is the range which I given, and if you want to see the custom 100% stage, this is the thing 798 to 7023. Apply. Okay, see that this is the DEM SRTM DEM 30 meter spatial resolution. So I want to request you, please like this video, share among your friends, and of course comment me if you have any query or suggestions for me. Stay connected with my channel Understanding RS-GIS and Geography. Meet you in the next video. Thank you.